This video is sponsored by Autolite, manufacturers of high-quality spark plugs since 1935. Visit Autolite.com for more information.
So I got an ASE G1 test prep question for you, and I want you to think about this one a little bit. A faulty spark plug can cause the following. A, poor fuel mileage. B, poor acceleration. C, a check engine light. Or D, all of the above. The correct answer is D, and here's why. So when a spark plug is starting to fail or has failed, one of the most common things you're going to notice and probably have from your customer is a check engine light. Upon further diagnostics of that, you're going to come up with some codes called P0300 all the way up to maybe P0306, depending if it's a 6-cylinder, or all the way up to a P308 if it's an 8-cylinder. Those are indications of a misfire. Another thing that we're going to have if the spark plug is starting to fail is a rough idle. Maybe you're going to have a little bit of a vibration felt. Something just doesn't feel as very smooth as it should. Maybe it sounds a little off while it's running as well. It's another good indication. Another one is going to be hard starting. It's going to take longer for that engine to turn over and start. The ignition system is going to have to work a lot harder to be able to ignite that air-fuel mixture. Also, look for poor acceleration. Maybe poor throttle response. It seems like we're missing that disconnect from the actual time we step on the throttle to the actual time we're picking up some speed. Those could be another indication that we're having some spark plug issues. And of course, excessive fuel consumption, which is again attributed to incomplete combustion inside our engine, and ultimately more emissions leaving the tailpipe. So if you have any of these 5 symptoms, always go ahead and take a look at the spark plug condition. This has been your ASE G1 test prep with tomorrow's technician. My name's Joe Keen. We'll see you next time.